Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how I make my chickpeas and spinach rice with some fried cod salted fish. And check the description box below, all these details will be listed there. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly please do so. Give my video a thumbs up, press that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload another video. I have 1 cup of chickpeas that I did soak overnight. I washed it thoroughly. I'm now going to place them into my pressure cooker. Place like 4 cups of water, or at least like 3 inches over or above the chickpeas in the pot. Some salt, some baking powder, and the baking powder helps to speed up the cooking process. Cover this pot to cook and then head right over to the salted fish. So I have the salted fish in some fresh water and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it's done, I'm going to throw away the boiling water here and add some fresh water from the top and set this aside. Let it sit for 20 minutes just so that it would get the excess salt out from the saltfish. So checking the chickpeas here now, and you can see that it's done. It is soft and nice. I'm going to set this aside. Over medium heat, I have my pan and I'm going to add some oil. At this time, you can add any amount of oil that you want to do, because normally when we're cooking rice like this, we add coconut milk, but then it's not really necessary to add it. I'm not cooking cook-up rice. I'm not cooking pilau. It's just basic spinach rice with chickpeas. So I've sauteed some garlic along with some onion. Saute them until they're, soft and nice. Then I'm going to add the chopped spinach, and this is stick leaf callaloo, guys. You call it spinach. From Guyana, we call it callaloo. All right? Just toss them around a little. At this time, I have 1 cup of brown parboiled rice. I did wash it and I'm going to add it to the callaloo in the pot here. And once I do this, I'm going to just stir them around, let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, because I'm trying to achieve the little greenness right from the spinach into the rice. So just fry them. Alright, so I'm going to add the chickpeas, vegetable cube for flavor, and taste as you go, guys, because you would want to know how much salt you want. You want to achieve your taste. All right. So once I do this, the water left over from the chickpeas that I did cook in the pressure cooker, I'm going to pour it right into this pot. And because we are going to be using different varieties of rice, guys, you need to just add a little bit liquid at a time. Here I'm using some hot water, and because I cook this rice all the time, I know how much liquid to add to the pot. So just add a little at a time and continue checking the grains so that you get the right texture. So I'm going to cover this and let it do its thing. Over here, the saltfish has been cold and nice, so I just frizzle them out like this. And here I have some red and yellow bell pepper, onion, garlic, scallion, and some frozen tomatoes. I also have a green Scotch Bonnet Pepper. I put some oil in the pan, and once it gets hot, I'm going to add the garlic. I like to saute my garlic until they're nice and golden brown. Then I'm going to add the onions. And let them cook until it is soft and nice. You can see how the garlic looks beautiful in there. Now I'm going to add my frozen tomatoes. And I freeze my tomatoes, guys, because when it's plenty, when you go to shop and you get them plenty, you don't want them to spoil. So I wash them, I dice them, and I just put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them, all right? Don't let anything go to waste, guys. Toss them around. At this time, you know, I always have a problem with my battery, all right? So nonetheless, it's just to show you how I add my scallion and my saltfish, and you missed out on that, but that's all right. Just pour it in there, give it a nice toss, and let it cook. Now add a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of paprika, and of course my mixed dry seasonings, all right? Give it a nice stir. Turn the fire down very low under the pot and let this cook. So I did add a few slices of fresh tomatoes into the pot, and you can see now that my saltfish is all cooked up and there's no liquid in there, and it's done. So I'm going to set this aside. Over to the rice. Here you can see it is still steaming. Once I check the grains and it's all done, then guys, you know what next? I'm going to add my colors into here, and adding the bell peppers and the carrot is optional. I add them because I am going to be serving this rice today. None is going to be left for tomorrow, because I do not actually like bell peppers into my rice left for the next day. So once I add the frozen carrots and the bell pepper, I just toss them up. You can see the colors up in here. It's looking rich and nice, beautiful. I just turned the heat from under the pot. Cover the pot and let it sit for 20 minutes. Not forgetting the green Scotch Bonnet Pepper, and that is just for steaming. So once it's done, here lunch is served, guys. Give it a try. It's just a simple, easy recipe. I did fry some ripe plantains, and enjoy. Leave me a comment, and thanks for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next videos.